Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our series, How to Answer Your Research Defense Questions in 1 minute. Our next question is, what motivated you to conduct the study? Motivation can be based or should be based on a particular specific factor. So, nasa inyo yan kung saan nyo ibabase yung motivation ninyo, pero bibigyan ko kayo ng specific na halimbawa. Pwede nyong ibase ang inyong motivation doon sa tinatawag nating effect of the issue being investigated. Ano yung epekto ng issue nung iniimbestigahan ninyo? And then, relate that to you personally. So, papaano nyo sasagutin ito? The effect of the issue being investigated are the following. I-present niyo yon, tapos i-relate niyo sa sarili niyo. And these effects are relevant or related to us as students in this particular institution. And this is what motivated us to conduct the study.